Introducing bubblegum.
Keep young and beautiful. It's your duty to be beautiful. Keep young and beautiful. If you want to be loved, don't fail to do your stuff with a little powder and a puff. Keep young and beautiful. If you want to be loved, keep your wise exercise, all the fat off. Take it off over here, over there. When you're seen anywhere with your hat off, have the Marcel wave in your head.
Are you bored? Are you alone? Are you a loser? Are you alone and a loser? Well then, why not try something fun to spice up your life? Introducing the yo-yo. You can do it anywhere. You can do it on the table. You can do it on the toilet. You can do it with a dog. You can do it in the shower.